transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance without fee. So on today's video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance without any fees. So how to do that? Now make sure you are logged into your Bitget account. Now head over to Icon Wallet. Now click on Asset Overview. Now after that, from the sidebar, click on Spot. Now go and click on Withdrawal. Now after that, make sure you enter in coin USDT. Now here, make sure you select on chain. Now after that, the network. Now how we can transfer USDT without any fees. So as you can see, if you select BSC network, you pay $0, and if you select TON, you pay $0. So make sure you select BSC. After you select it, now you need to enter or paste the address of Binance. So how to get Binance or our wallet address on Binance? Now go to Binance and make sure you log into your Binance account. Now after that, click on deposit and click on deposit crypto. Now after that, here select USDT and here set the network as you see it here in Bitget. Now click on BSC. Now after that, they will show you your wallet address. Now copy it. Now go back to Bitget and paste it here. Now after you paste it, click on next. Now as you can see, now enter how much of USDT you want to send. Now as you can see, you pay 0 fees and you will receive 100 USDT on your Binance. So after you click on withdrawal, now you can transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance without any fee. So if this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.